Hello, my name is Smokey. And I don't know why this camera's in my face, but I'm gonna start snapping in a little bit if I don't fall asleep. I'm just gonna stare at this camera all day. Me like cats. I love her so much, but we gotta get rid of her. Yeah, cause we're moving and no pets allowed. Isn't that right, Smokey? So I'm making this video. It's me and my cat. You my baby. Say hey, Smokey. I'm gonna make one tomorrow so I could remember her. You might hear my little sister crying in the room. She don't want to go to sleep. She don't want to take her nap. My name is Smokey, and I'm the best, and I'm gonna leave the nest. But I know Lachey, she's gonna miss me. But I love her, even though I'm not Winfrey. Oh. Now I'm finna turn this camera off because I want to go to sleep. Because this girl won't keep messing with me. So I'm finna turn this camera off right now. Talk, Smokey. Talk. Say hello. I'm not doing that. Say hello, Smokey. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Get off the camera, girl.